those Redback speakers are loud. Wonderful. Well, that was certainly interesting, wasn't it? So that was just a drill. They do drills in every building twice a year. They have to legally. In terms of equipment, it varies. They're running a Petronic analog addressable panel, and some of the equipment that you would have seen in the video there as I evacuated was Petronic equipment. The system, all of that equipment would have been installed by Fire Security Services, but this is actually a 1950s building, Easterfield, and the equipment actually varies on different floors. So there are different speakers on different floors. Some floors have just got ceiling speakers. Some floors have actually got fire horns, the electric horns, and also the manual call points vary floor by floor. So the lower floors, like where I was, have Petronic call points, and then I think above that there's some Ampac, and then I think the top 4 floors or so actually have the old Guardian alarms call points, because we'd left over from the previous system here. So very varied system here, lots of different bits of equipment. Yeah, so that was just a regular drill. They do them twice a year. They have to legally, they're required to, and yeah, that's it.